how to fix failed to join game lobby in Helldivers 2 problem. So if you want to fix failed to join game lobby in Helldivers 2 problem, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply search for CMD, which is command prompt. You need to click on run as administrator and click on yes. And it will take you to this kind of interface. Now here, you want to just simply go and enter a command, which is ipconfig space / DNS, and then hit the enter. Then you need to go with the next command, which is ipconfig space / release. Then again hit the enter. Then again go with the next command, which is ipconfig space / register DNS and hit the enter. Then ipconfig space / renew. So once you're done with this, you want to go to Steam. So sometimes verifying the files will fix the game. So just simply go with the Helldivers 2. You'll find that in the library section. Go with library, and then here you will have Helldivers 2. You just need to simply click on it. In my case, I don't have them. So I'll just simply go with an example. Once you find it, you need to just right click on it, and then you'll find the properties. You need to click on properties and then go with installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying your game files, you need to just simply go with browse, which will be on the right side, and go with the exe folder for the game. Once you find the .exe folder, you need to right click on it and then go with properties. Once you're on your properties, go with compatibility. From the compatibility, you need to go with disable full screen optimizations and then click on apply. After that, click on OK. Now check if the game works. But if you still face an issue, then I suggest you to check if the game servers are down. For that, you need to just simply go back and then open up your browser and search for Helldivers. So if the game servers are down, then you won't be able to play the game on your multiplayer or the other online stuff. So just check here. If it's down, you'll see the spikes. You'll have to wait for at least a few minutes or a few hours for them to fix the servers. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to check that if you've not turned on any VPN services. So you just need to simply go with your settings and go with search. And here you need to search for VPN services. And if you've allowed VPN or if you've turned on some VPN services, you need to just turn them off. Last thing you need to do is check your internet connection. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.